welcome. Today we are heading to Isle of Skye. It's going to be a great day, and I also want to give you a little update on what's happening, a wee bit of crack, you know what I mean. Let's hit the road. Perhaps those of my dear viewers who were expecting to see a Truckness part 2 video, it's not there yet, it's not ready. That's why I thought I will let you know that I'm working on it. The problem is that I've got more interviews, more chit chat than I'm able to put into the video. But I'm working on it. I'm trying to make it nice and enjoyable for my dear viewers. And if you haven't seen the first part of that video, I'll make it pop up over here. I just hit 25,000 kilometers on this Volvo, and so far it's going good, it's going nice. She needs a wash, but our power wash broke down. And last wash was at Truckness actually. But yeah, I'm sure she will look more presentable in the next episode, I hope. And we have a beginning of September, which means the peak of the season is behind us right now. So that's a good news, because it's been a very busy summer on the roads. Tourists and camper vans were absolutely crazy. But yeah, I'm looking forward for October, November, when roads will be quiet and you'll be just able to enjoy the road to the full. That's why I like the first part of my day, where it's early in the morning, no traffic on the road, and it's good to get a clean run up the road first thing in the morning. Dropped my trailer at Sconser and I made a space on the trailer for the full skip. So we are heading to Ban fish farm nearby Sconser. That's our first destination, and then further north to Dunvegan. Easily done. Boys at the fish farm said that they will shift the empty box themselves. That saves me shifting them about. That's very nice. It's not very heavy. I will go on the trailer. And then Dunvegan. We'll see how many camper vans will be there on the road. It's beginning of September, so the peak of the season is definitely over, but still plenty of tourists out and about. Surely I won't get as clean run back down the road as I did get in the morning. You probably noticed that when I'm recording the road, I'm using the fast pace or time warp mode. The reason behind it is that in Scotland you have 40 miles an hour speed limit on lorries. In England and Wales it's 50. But because it's 40 in Scotland and because all of the drivers, every single one, is doing no more, no less than 40 miles an hour on the open road, I think it might appear a bit boring. So that's why I'm recording in time warp mode. So it seems like I go a little bit faster. However, I want to make it clear. 40 miles an hour, that's what we all do in Scotland, and we will keep it this way. Now we are leaving site in Dunvegan. Actually, I was hoping that this won't be the yard. You know what? It's so painful to go through branches like that. It's not nice, especially when you are having a new lorry. This grass looks a bit hard. I hope it is hard, but unfortunately I'm going a bit over to the grass. Yeah, I told the customer to sort out these branches, but that's, as you can see, that's just no use at all. It breaks my heart. It literally breaks my heart to go through that kind of bushes in my life. heading to our depot. That's the job done. Like always, I would like to thank you all for watching, and remember to stay between the verges and under the radar. I will see you on the next one.